We are in the Ingenious Wireless Mesh Cam. I'm going to show you how to make changes to the video settings just to make them exactly the way you want. So we want to make sure we're on the camera area here and the media video link here. And when we click that, then we have Stream 1 and Stream 2. So basically the difference between the two is one is a higher resolution, one is a lower resolution, and you can choose which resolution you want when you get into the camera section, which I'll show you. So if we go to compression format, by default it's H.264, but if you want, you can change it to MPEG. So when the MPEG changes, we see this pop-up that says the codec will be supported on Internet Explorer browser only. So we may not want to do that if we're not using Internet Explorer. So let's go ahead and go back to 264. Resolution, we can click the drop down and choose any one of these options. The higher the resolution, then of course the better the quality of the picture, but then again it uses much more data when you go to record using higher resolution. Max frame per second is set to 30 seconds by default, but you can certainly make that higher or lower. You need at least 23 frames per second in order to get smooth video, although 15 is not bad either. Then the bit rate encoding, you can do a constant or a variable. Variables is one that is better suggested in order to keep the amount of data down when we do it. Then when we have the quality, you have good, you have standard, and you have excellent. Again, the higher the quality, then the more that you're going to see a better picture, but the more data that's going to be used. So good is usually good enough. Then you have the Stream 2, which is typically the lower quality one, but again, you can change it to whatever you would like. That is an option here. So let's go ahead and click apply, and then we'll go over to camera where it says live view at the top right. And here's our two streaming options. So there's Stream 1. Of course, we're pointed up at the ceiling, so there's not a lot of exciting things to see there. And then there's Stream 2. So you can choose which one you want to see. Sometimes if you just don't have that good a speed or that much data available on your computer, then you'll want to go with the lower stream rate. But between the two, it's not a huge difference in quality, but there's definitely some detail difference that you see there. So that's how you change the video settings in the Ingenious Wireless Mesh Camera.